All right, here we are at problem 16 of your homework. And I just wanted to review this for you. We have the per capita or per person income from 1985 to 2010. And it can be modeled by this function. This is a linear function. You can write this in the form mx plus b. I'll let you try that for yourself if you want to. It says determine the year when per capita income was 24,000. So we need to know what is this 24,000? Is it in X or is it in a Y? Remember, f of X is the same as Y. And X is the independent variable and Y, or f of X, depends on X. So it's the dependent variable. And here in this we see that the income depends on the year, what the year was. So the domain ranges from 1985 to 2010, and that represents the years of the domain. And so X is the year. So X is the independent variable, and Y depends on X. We are given the income. So the income depends on the year. So we're going to take this 24,000 and replace your function value with 24,000 because that's the income. And then you're going to find the year that matches that income. And notice that the starting point is 20,000 and the slope is 2,000, because if we were to multiply this all out, we would get 2,000 times X by the distributive law. And so we can see that every year it's increasing by 2,000. So it starts at 20,000 in 1985, and then it goes up 2,000 the next year in 1986. So it's going to be 22,000 in 1986. And then in 1987, it's going to go up another 2,000 up to 24,000. And that's what we're looking for, the year that it's 24,000. So you can see it's 1987. Here we have another linear function, and all of these application problems are going to be linear functions. And we are asked to, approximate the year. Again, we're looking for the year when sales of LP records and compact discs were equal by using the intersection of graphs method. So you're going to use your graphing calculator, and you have two functions, f of X and g of X, and you're going to find when these two functions, where they intersect, the point. And since we're looking for the year, it's the sales that depend on what year it is. So the sales are your Y value or your function values, and the year is your X value. So after you graph these on your calculator, you're going to find that intersection point, and it's going to be the X value. So I'll let you try that with your graphing calculator. If you're having trouble using your graphing calculator, just go to YouTube and put the model number in and then what you're trying to do in the description when you're searching. And you'll find a lot of videos there and some really high quality videos to help you with that.